Today we're doing a CR485 Plus pack from APE in this 114 cubic inch Fatbob. Right guys, so what is a Plus pack from APE? Well, essentially it is basically a stage 2 kit with some added goodies to complete the whole package to make sure everything is a very good solid foundation for any future builds. So this particular bike is getting the CR485 camshaft, and added onto that for the Plus pack is the Cycle-Rama billet lifter cuffs, the APE high capacity lifters. We've got the Screaming Eagle 55mm intake manifold, the 6.2 GPS injectors from APE, some Screaming Eagle adjustable push rods. Currently it's running the TBR 2-in-1, that's how it rode in here with, and it's running the factory air filter still there. So I baselined it in that configuration. Let's go check it out. Right, so here's our baseline graph, guys. You can see, well, I did a few runs there. The best we've got there, 82.9 horsepower and 101.86 foot-pounds of torque. Righto guys, time to get the thing pulled down, get all the stuff in, so let's go and check out that. We'll get all the OEM stuff out, put the new stuff in, and then I'll meet you back here on the dyno and we'll have it tuned up. Righto, let's fire this thing up, guys. These cams sound brilliant out of these Two Brothers pipes. Guess where the valve stem is? Right where I need to put the strap. Every time. Tuners, you'll know the pain. Oh, let's go low. Lovely. Righto guys, we've just finished up here. We've got some incredible results. Let's take a look. 124 horsepower, 129 foot-pounds of torque. Now let's compare that to our baseline, our best baseline. So there was our best baseline there of 82 horsepower and 101 foot-pounds of torque. Now guys, let's just take a second here to acknowledge how much power this camshaft has made. 82 horsepower is what it rode in. It's now making 124. That is 42 horsepower increase. That is as close to 50% increase in power as you're going to get. Like, that is huge. And we're talking 28 foot-pounds of torque increase. Now, on the own, if we just get rid of if we ignore the blue one here and we just look at the red one, it looks like we have a huge dip here, which, I mean, if we consider this, it is a slight dip, but it's still making more power and torque than it was before it rode in. Like, yeah, it does make more at the hit here, and then it sort of tapers off, but from 3,000 RPM and on, it is going to the moon in the torque and the power. So, sure, there are some pipe combinations that will make that look better, but that is what it is there, guys. If you'd like to find out anything else about the kit that I used here or any of the other parts involved throughout the video, there is links in the description, as is my email address if you'd like to get in touch with me personally. It's all linked down there in the description. I don't really know how to end videos, guys. If you want to watch another one, there's one over here. You can check that out. It's pretty cool. If you'd like to help support the channel, consider becoming a member and join up. That would really help out and let me bring more content like this to you guys. But yeah, if you like today's video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.